Hi everybody, it's Hillary with Wild Orange Emporium. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing from something that my sister sent. She actually sent 2 boxes, so I'm going to make two videos today. I probably won't change my shirt, but the first box, I did peek in both of these. It's so hard not to peek. But if you like unboxings, then this is the video for you, and stay tuned. My sister sent 2 boxes. She lives in Oregon, and she does the large flat rate box and folds it up really well. And she enjoys going to the bins, where, if you've seen in my previous videos, and I'll put a link in here to my bins video, it's not my favorite thing. And that was a St. Vincent de Paul bin that I had gone to. I haven't been to the Goodwill bin in a long time, and I don't think I've ever made a video at the Goodwill bin. So anyways, so I'm going to do, show you what she sent, and she had a great idea. Well, she had a couple of great ideas. One is when I get an item that I don't know the brand, instead of saying I'll get back to you, I will post on one of these sides a comparable sale, something like that. So, and maybe a little more, another little snippet or something about that brand. And then also, we're going to try in the future to do a Zoom call and record it. I'm sure I'm going to have to watch some YouTube videos, or if you have any helpful tips, we'll do a Zoom call and do an unboxing with her items, and she can say why she picked those items up. She has great taste and style. It'd be fun to have my sister involved in the YouTube channel. So, without further ado, there are I'm going to show you what she sent. And I don't have these in any particular order. I did wash a batch of dark, so because she has a cat and a dog, and I felt like the cat hair was getting to me. And then I have the other box. It's not washed. So when you get items from the bins, do you always wash them, or do you just steam them and sell them? What do you tend to do? So this is a Elaine Weiss. So this will be one of those items. First item up. I will put a side window up because I've never heard of that brand. So it's like a halter tank that has some little stitching details. It feels like it's linen, a little lighter than linen. It's definitely a European, yeah, linen and viscose, a European brand, but has some cool details there at the bottom. I don't know, do you call that a napkin? Maybe a napkin style? I don't know. Have to look that up. My sister hit the mother lode. She found quite a bit of Lululemon, which is very exciting. And I know there's a way to find the style, so I'll have to do that later. But there's the Lululemon symbol. Okay, and sometimes they hide it in all kinds of places. So these are long, full-length pants, wide bottom, and maybe it's just inside the leg. I don't remember. But your basic black, little heavier duty pants. These are a good size. I bet these are XLs. So, Lululemon full length. This is a Dana Buckman extra large. Dana Buckman is a Kohl's brand now. Sheer business wear with a little, I don't know if you call that peplum bottom. I think peplum is supposed to be the whole style, but that's like sewn on. A navy top. And this is Waycole bra. It's a sports bra. Has some wear to it. So I'll probably price that pretty low. But it's got some good sturdy arms, straps. I will trim those up. So yeah, sports bra. Next we have another pair of, I think these were Lululemon also. Maybe not. Sometimes the little Lululemon is hiding, see? Like there it is. You see that down on the leg? But this is fun. These are definitely runners. You can have a little pocket for your keys. Fun little color. These probably are a medium. A nice stripe down there. And I did sell in one of her previous videos the Pearlizumi, maybe it is a Zumo jersey, and I thought that's what this was, but it's aluminite, so it's a running vest. There's the tag, aluminite. So a nice running vest. I thought it was Pearlizumu because it looks similar to the same symbol there, but maybe not. The other reason I wanted to wash these up is to get them, so I can get them listed. There's another Lululemon pair of pants. These are thinner, used. I'm guessing these are probably a small. A little more pilling on these, so price them low. These ones I was excited about. There is the Lululemon symbol. These are like hiking pants. They are a little heavier, okay, drawstring, but they have pockets in the back and front and on the side, wider kind of bottom. These are really nice. They do have a couple snags on the butt, is why I'm guessing why they got thrown to the bins. I'll snip that and then I'll disclose it. Always disclose your flaws. It's good. It's a good practice. Okay, the other items over here are the ones that I didn't wash yet. And of course, this is my favorite color. So I want to keep everything that's my favorite color. So here's another brand that I don't know. Lucy. Like that. And this is a light blue hoodie. Front pocket. Yeah, it has quite a bit of pilling on it. So I think I've said this before. I use a fabric shaver. I use one that is a plug-in one, so you're not running out of batteries all the time. So I'll be doing that. This is Madewell, but it says texture and thread, so I'm guessing it's a branch of Madewell, or you know, like Anthropologie has their brands inside the brand. So it's a nice blouse, 2XL. I don't think I realized Madewell made that size. That's great. Pretty floral and geometric cabbie. My sister does enjoy cabbie. Cabbie sells pretty well for me. Standard business. It's a sheer with a split side. So a sheer tank. Be good for business. Front pocket. Like underneath a jacket or leg. Actually casual with leggings. Okay. Well, I know this brand. Do you know this brand? Vera Bradley. I haven't tried to sell Vera Bradley. I think I have one thing. It's a little crossbody purse. And you can always look up the patterns with a little wallet inside. That looks pretty good. This is actually in really good condition. It's just a little tiny, tiny purse. But there's the Vera Bradley. And it's mostly all the quilted. I do like the ones that are, like, I don't know if it's patent, but it's more like a plastic. See? Like Chelsea knows all, my sister knows all the names of how things are. But that's okay. I'm not putting myself down. I'm just learning. And, you know, I haven't been doing this for that long. Oh, another Madewell top. I know I opened this ahead of time, but I don't remember everything that was in there. A size small, striped, long sleeved. basic Madewell top. I had a lot of Madewell with my consignments, and it sells pretty well. Most of the tops I've sold. I still have a few, the basic black and white nicer shirts, but I'm thinking those will go as people start to go back to the office more. If you have office wear, start listing it. And I know it's July, but I'm thinking about starting listing more of my winter items coming up. Okay, Eddie Bauer, extra large. This is a nice white 3/4 length shirt, super soft, pretty long, be good with leggings. So for those days when you are working from home. Oh yeah, I thought this was interesting. Really, everything sells. So this is a duster bag for a Kate Spade. You can see it right there, for a Kate Spade bag. So to keep your nice leather purses, you keep it in this inside your closet. So she found some of these. So that one, and then there's also a Coach one. I did remember that. So there's the Coach one. And duster bags. I'll wash those up. Oh yeah, this is probably a Lomi. She does really good with these. A Lomi bra. I sold one this week on Mercari. So this is a pink Elomi, and I'll pull off any pillings, but you know, there's no armpit stains, which is what you want to look for. You want to look for, when you're buying bras, stretching here, okay, where the elastic is stretched out, but mostly in your armpits. And also double check that the underwire here, this is the front of the bra, the underwire here is not poking out, okay? We'll get that all cleaned up. But sometimes these are larger sizes. So this is a US 34L. That's tiny. And then big. Okay. Okay. Yes, she did. She found another Pearl Izumi. Oh, I sold the Pearl Izumi jersey on Facebook Marketplace. So this is a nice jacket. This is an outerwear jacket. It's very bright. And it's a large. This is from 2007, so you see how well things last. I'm thinking this is most likely a men's. So there's the reflector, there's a pocket, there's the Pearl Izumi. So for things like this, you check the zippers, check under the arms for no sweat stains, that sort of thing. I think there might have been one, there are a couple like stains on it, so I'm going to give it a wash and see if it comes out. But Pearl Izumi is a great brand for cycling. Oh, Columbia. Because she is in the Pacific Northwest, she finds a lot of Columbia, and I think this is for the little girls I nannied. This is a size 6, extra small. So for little Penny. Aw, and I'm guessing this is for them too. Pottery Barn Kids, 12 to 18 months. How cute is that? It's a little seahorse dress for the girls, for little Camille. Very cute. 2 more things in this box. We have a belt, by Brighton. So I didn't realize Brighton made belts. Brighton does a lot of jewelry, key fobs. I think they do purses too. It does have some markings on the front, so I will just disclose that, but most likely this is a nice leather belt. And then finally, a Lululemon headband. Is that cool? Didn't know they made headbands. I don't know a lot of things. We said that before. Okay. Lululemon one size, nylon headband. We'll get that listed up. So, again, thanks for stopping by my channel. I am going to go ahead and film the other box that she has of what she sent me. And I think I said at the beginning she sent me another box this week, which I haven't got yet. Thanks again. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave some comments so I can know what videos you like, and I'll continue to make those. Tschüss!